हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, 12th स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स चैप्टर मैट्राइसेस के अंतर्गत आज हम सीखेंगे दो मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे किया जाता है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने से पहले हम ये चेक करेंगे कि उन मैट्रिक्स का हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर भी सकते हैं या नहीं। वो रो और कॉलम पर डिपेंड होता है। सो लेट्स चेक हाउ टू get we can multiply two matrix or not। स्टूडेंट्स, आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू मैट्राइसेस चेक किया जाए। एक मैट्रिक्स कैपिटल ए ले रहे हैं हम लोग, 1 2 3। सेकेंड रो 1 1 5 and the third row 2 4 7। फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स ए कंप्लीट। अब सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स बी ले रहे हैं हम लोग। ब्रैकेट, द एलिमेंट्स आर 1 8 3 and the second row 1 1 5। मैट्रिक्स बी कंप्लीट। स्टूडेंट्स, मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए हमें पहले ऑर्डर चेक करना होगा। फर्स्ट रो चेक कीजिए। मैट्रिक्स ए के रो कितने हैं? 1 2 एंड 3। 3 रोज हैं, तो आप लिखिए 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय। अब नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स चेक कीजिए। फर्स्ट कॉलम, second column and this one is your third column, means 3। इस तरह से इस मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर 3/3 है। बी मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर चेक करेंगे। सिमिलरली फर्स्ट रो, second row means 2 rows are there, multiply by number of columns now। first column, second column, third column means 3 columns are there, so order we got 2/3। now check here number of columns of matrix A and number of rows of matrix B। number of columns of matrix A is 3 and number of rows of matrix B is 2। they are not equal, therefore product, that means multiplication of the matrices is not possible, so AB does not exist। now take second example। A matrix 1 2 3 1 1 5 and third row 2 4 and 7। so matrix A is ready। now see matrix B। matrix B we are taking bracket 9 2 1 and 1 bracket close। we got second matrix also। now for multiplication check order, how many rows are there? 1 row, 2 row and third row means 3 rows are there, write 3 multiply by। now number of columns 1 2 and 3। so students, the order is 3/3। second matrix, similarly you check how many rows are there। first of all 1 and 2, there are 2 rows, right here in order 2 multiply by। number of columns check 1 and 2, 2 columns are there. That means the order is here 2 by 2. Now students, check number of columns of matrix A and number of rows of matrix B are same or not. Number of columns of matrix A is 3, number of rows of matrix B is 2. They are not same. Therefore, we will see product multiplication of the matrices is not possible. That is, AB matrix does not exist. Now third example, for multiplication of two matrices, again we are taking matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 2, 4, and the last element 7. This way matrix A is complete. Now check matrix B, bracket, the first row is 1, 2, and the second row is 3, 1, third row is 1 and 5. Matrix close. Now for multiplication, check the order. How many rows are there? 1, 2 and 3. Rows are 3. So write 3, multiply by number of columns. Check number of columns. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 columns, therefore order is 3 by 3. For B, check order. First of all, row. Always you have to consider row first. First row, second row and third row. This way 3 rows are there. Now columns 1 and 2. 2 columns are there. Order is 3 by 2. Now check number of columns of matrix A and number of rows of column B. Number of columns of matrix A is 3. Number of rows of matrix B is 3. They are same. If they are same, therefore product or multiplication of matrices is possible. Therefore AB matrix exists. Now students, last example we are taking multiplication of two matrices, possible or not. So first matrix we are taking 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4. This way our first matrix is completed. Second matrix now we are considering, bracket, the elements are 1, 2, 3 and 1. Matrix complete, bracket close. Now check order of first matrix. Check number of rows, 1, 2 and 3. So number of rows are 3. Multiply by number of columns we are checking, 1, 2. 2 columns are there. Therefore order is 3 by 2. Now for matrix B order we are checking. Let's see how many rows are there. 1 and 2. How many columns are there? 1, and 2. 2 columns are there. Therefore order is 2 by 2. Now check number of columns of matrix A and number of rows of matrix B. Number of columns of matrix A is 2. Number of rows of matrix B is also 2. They are equal. Therefore product multiplication of matrix is possible. Therefore that is AB exists. Now students, let's go for multiplication of two matrix. Here we checked we can multiply or not. Now actually we are going to multiply. So we are considering matrix A 1 2 3 4 and matrix B 5 6 7 and 8. Bracket close. Students, check order. Here first row, second row means two rows are there. Multiply by, check columns. First column, second column means two columns are there. So order is 2 by 2. Now check order for matrix B. First row, second row. That means two rows are there. Multiply by number of columns. First column, second column. Two columns are there. Order is 2 by 2. Now check number of columns of matrix A and number of rows of matrix B are same. We will cut them, and in product the answer will be black 2 and yellow 2 will make your order. Means new product matrix order will be black 2 multiply by yellow 2 means 2 by 2, and the product matrix AB will look like this set: A11, A12, A21 and A22. This style of matrix you will get after multiplication. So let's take both matrix for multiplication. First matrix we are taking 1 2 3 4. It is your matrix A. Now multiply this by matrix B. Matrix B is 5 6 7 8. Bracket close. Okay, let's see the look of product. The look will be 4 elements will be there in 2 by 2 order. There will be 4 elements in 2 by 2 order. The first element will be A11. A11 means first row of matrix A and first column of matrix B. Multiply first number by first means 1 multiply by 5 and second by second 2 multiply by 7. Next element will be of the format A12 means first row of matrix A and second column of matrix B. Multiply them first by first means 1 multiply by 6 plus second by second means 2 multiply by 8. Now the third element style will be A21 means for a second row of A matrix and first column of B matrix. Multiply first by first 3 multiply by 5 plus second multiply by second 4 multiply by 7. Correct? And the fourth element will be of a style A22. That means second row of matrix A and second column of matrix B. Multiply them first by first 3 multiply by 6 plus second by second 4 multiply by 8. Now solve carefully for A B matrix. 1 5 5, 2 7 14, 1 6 6, 2 8 16, 3 5 15, 4 7 28, 3 6 18 and 4 8 32. So final answer we are getting 19, 22, 43 and 50. It's over. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching video.